Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you some ways to keep mirror in natural shine. In first method I am using baking soda to clean the mirror. We need some baking soda and a damp cloth or towel. Now sprinkle some baking soda over the towel. Now use this cloth or towel to wipe the mirror. This will remove all the stains and dirt from the mirror. Now wipe with a clean cloth. See, now the mirror is clean. Okay, let us use another method for cleaning mirror. In second method I am using white vinegar to clean mirror glasses. We need some white vinegar and sprinkle it on the mirror. Now wipe it with a cloth. Vinegar will help to remove the dirt and makes the mirror clean. See, now we can try the third method using lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon juice in a bowl. Now sprinkle it on the mirror. Now wipe it using a clean cloth. The lemon juice will help to remove all the stains and dirt from the mirror surface. Okay, in the fourth method I am using a newspaper to clean the mirror. It is the cheapest method. We need only a piece of newspaper and some water. Now take a piece of paper and soak it in water. Now use the soaked newspaper to wipe the mirror, and it is the popular and cheapest method to clean mirror. Now wipe the mirror using a dry cloth. See, now the always clean. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.